Hello guys, welcome to this piano tutorial. And so today I'll be showing you how to mount PSR or seben on your piano, okay, on the SX-700, okay, Yamaha. Right, so the first thing, let me first of all work the right hand. Okay, this is the right hand. I come to my select pad, I take the first voice. Okay, I click the first voice. Okay, oh, let me put it this way. I come to the first voice on the screen. Okay, this is my right one on the screen as well. If I will change it, you will see that will change. Okay, so simply comes to right one, or you click up here, this right one, I click up here. Okay, I go to guitar, this is my guitar. Right, I have so many of them, so I'll choose this one, semi acoustic. Right, that will give me right, so that's it. So I'm going to go to the second voice, right? So okay, still on guitar, I put guitar, I take just clean guitar. All right, it's not yet activated, so I just need to press this down up part for it to be activated. So if you listen to it, you see that it has changed. So these are the two voices. Then the last one I'll add is I'll still right three. I'll still go on guitar. Right, I take a 50 vintage spring. All right, when I add that, right, so when I have that, so those are the three voices for the right hand. Okay, so now I come to my left hand. Okay, this is my left hand. Okay, this is my left hand, this left, this one is left hold. So I come here left. Okay, I go to bass. You know, you have to be boiling the bass, so I go to low bass. Okay, that's low bass. Alright, so if you look keenly and your left is not correct, you can go to this menu here. You go to menu, select split. Okay, if I take split here, I can be able to arrange my left. Okay, I'll just simply press on left here left here, but it's fortunate for me that my left hand is okay, so I'll allow it like that. So it's ending here, then the right hand starts from here. So I think it's okay for me I'm good to go. And now I can also arrange their volumes. Okay, if I come to mixer, see that I see the volume of right three is very low, right two is very low. Okay, hey, notice that my pad 3 I did not activate it. Let me activate it. So when you activate, you see it showing here. So I can add a bit of volume of my right two. Okay, so that I feel its effect as well. It's my right two. I can lower right one a bit to 90, 95. Okay, my right two. Okay, 95. Okay, my right two. Increase it up to 120, 95. This one almost 80. Okay, so I have this. All right, so when you do that, there's still something that you need to add. You can add the harmony. Okay, I come to menu, then I go to this, I take echo. All right, echo. All right, so When I do that, I can take treble. No, let me take echo. Echo is good. Then you come here and activate it on harmony. Okay, so when it gives an echo sound, I'll say, so guys, we are good to go. Let me check my bass, whether it's really okay, my bass or no. Yeah, my bass. Yeah, I want to check the volume. Yeah, -1. So we are good to go, guys. So I just want to put some seben beat. All right. Probably I will not be playing the bass because I'm actually videotaping myself. Okay, so we are good to go. No, that's not the voice or the the beat I want. Okay, so I got this one. Okay, so we can come here and reduce the volume. So when you reduce the volume, this is what you got. Alright guys, with that I think we are good to go. And this is our bass. Alright guys, so that's it for that piano setting. I hope you learned something. You need to apply this on your seben, your ndombolo, your makusa. We are good to go. Thank you, and do wait to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.